This is how I make my rice 90% of the time. This is how I wake it up. I steam my rice in my rice cooker and put cauliflower and broccoli in here and steam it while I'm cooking my rice. Then over here, I use coconut oil and I saute 2 habanero peppers, red onions, and about 12 cloves of garlic. And then after that gets nice and stir fried up, I add in a stir fry vegetable mix and kind of fry that up. And then in my rice, as you can see, that's rice underneath that, I add Himalayan pink sea salt, black pepper, oregano, thyme, turmeric mixed with pepper, because you have to mix it 8-to-1 with pepper or your body won't absorb it. Cilantro, crushed red pepper, cayenne pepper, rosemary, garlic powder, ground cloves, ground cumin, ground cinnamon powder, ground ginger powder, ground jagelin powder, and ground mustard seed. All that right in there. And then I'll mix this in and stir it right in. And then I'll also put horseradish mustard in it. And spicy mustard. And sometimes I'll put some of these in. Actually, I probably will. Most of the time I do. And then that's it. Wake up your rice. Buck and Billy Ray's live.
On how much you use them and where you store them. If you store them in you can't.
Say hello.
Once you're saturated.
Say hello, little girl.
Sometimes I come home and I just
look at that happy tail. Oh, look at that happy tail.
Rag with the oil.